So Len Hovarter of HovarterCustomVise sent me his latest offering for vise hardware. It's a quick release housing for a leg vise, and he asked me to pair it up with the chain that I offer for keeping the parallel bar and the jaws parallel to create a quick release, no pin leg vise. Everything slides in and out just like that, and I just wanted you to see the back side before I mount it to the bench, and everything's buried and you can't see it. Just three-quarters of a turn locks everything down, and it's pretty much effortless going in and out. So I'll mount it on the bench and put it to work. So I've got the vise mounted to a bench now. It's just a utility bench that I had already in place, but I just added the vise to it. You don't have to build a whole new bench to have a great vise in the shop. And here it is. Goes in and out. Doesn't matter what the dimension is. It holds everything. If you have a long board, it goes alongside the shaft, clamps everything up tight. There's very little, if any, racking because you're right next to the screw. I built this vise with tall jaws, so that I'd have clearance over the bench top for sawing. The other vices I have, they're flush with the bench top, and couldn't do that with this. Not much of a cut there, but you get the idea. And it's just that easy. So, thank you, Hovarter Custom Vises, and we now have a quick release, no pin leg vise. Have a good day.